My name is Benedita. In this channel I'm going to be showing you how to grow your natural hair and how to make natural products on your hair and on your skin at home. Please do hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So let's go to the topic. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make Fennel oil. Fennel oil has a great benefits on our hair. Fennel oil has many other benefits on the body, on the skin and others. So I'm going to be giving you some benefits that Fennel oil has on our hair. It stimulates hair growth. 2, it strengthens our hair. Fennel oil strengthens our hair follicles and neutralizes the scalp. 3, it moisturizes our hair, and also 4, cleans our scalp. So let's just go straight into making the oil. So guys, these are what we are going to be needing for making this Fennel oil. First of all, you're going to be needing your olive oil and the Fennel seed. This is what the Fennel seed looks like, and in Italian we call it finocchio. Needing that and a bowl, a sieve. So first of all, you put your, I've already put on my gas, you put this is the olive oil on the pot, and you put, I've already measured out 3 tablespoons of the Fennel seed. I'm just going to pour it in. And just stir it like that. Increase the volume of the gas, so and allow it to boil. So when the color turns like this, then you reduce the heat, so very low heat, and leave it for about an hour on a very low heat. Like after 1 hour, I left it on the fire for 1 hour on a very low heat. This is what it's like. So I'm going to go ahead and sieve it. So I'm just going to pour it in. Then after that, you transfer it into your can oil. So this is what I got. This is my Fennel oil. Allow it, after letting it cool off, you apply it, massage it into your scalp and your hair, the tip. So that is all for this video, guys. This oil, you can use it anytime, in the morning, in the evening. Massage it into your scalp and at the edges, on the tip of your hair. This oil is very great for hair growth. So please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all, and I love you. Bye bye.